And was it that healthy? Yeah. Could it have been healthier? Yes, it could have. Okay. Winter's coming. Let's get healthy. Holidays are so hard, like there's so many temptations, but honestly, I want to just feel so much better and not be sick all the time like I am right now. And yeah, just want to feel better, film it up, see what happens. Realistically, not like crazy diets or like juice cleanses and all that. Just looking to feel better, and starting today, no cheat November. Okay, so I'm halfway through doing my makeup, not done yet. I am back from the gym, and for breakfast, I had half a Perfect bar. After the gym, normally I like to eat after because I feel like I work out better on an empty stomach, which is weird. So just had lunch. It was delicious. And was it that healthy? Yeah. Could it have been healthier? Yes, it could have. My lunch was actually really good, and I don't feel too full, and I don't feel like... I don't regret it. How about that? I don't regret it. It feels really delicious, and on a little chilly day, what more could you want? I don't know. I don't know. Now I'm gonna go home, but I'm gonna drink a lot of water. So I ended up getting a juice and a coffee. The juice is like orange, celery, cucumber, ginger, turmeric, and then for coffee I normally just do grande cold brew with almond milk. You know, got to love it.